Welcome to my first vlog. I like to start the day off with a sesame hemp beverage while responding to client emails and reviewing my priorities in Notion. I'm actually importing clips of this video into CapCut and doing some light cuts. YouTube is a lot of work from planning, scripting, filming, and editing. On to the next priority, which is adding a new section to a client's homepage.
There's so many ways to be happy. You can do whatever you like. You don't have to be ready. You just gotta trust the right. Don't have to be scary. You just gotta follow.
What do you think of the homepage and custom photography so far?
You can do whatever you like.
I'm excited to start a brand new package design project. But I like to plan out what information will go on the product packaging and confirm the details with the client prior to creating any designs. It's time to zoom and go over content strategy for a previous client. It's so nice to collaborate with people because as a solo creator, it can get lonely. I signed up for a few yoga classes at a gorgeous boutique studio, and I just love the branding and appreciate the design aesthetics of the interior space. For lunch, I'm making a simple ramen with chasho and mushrooms. I can eat ramen every day. So I'm setting up a scene for a product photography shot that is going to be on my portfolio. So let's see how we're going to set this up. I do have a lot of these Apple packaging that I use to stage different products. I could definitely invest in some of these for like 30 bucks, but I figured I have these on hand, so I may as well just kind of use these and Photoshop some of the elements out later. So this is the kind of the hero products of all 7 different spices. So I'm going to try to center this one. So again, it might need some tweaking, but after I set up the lighting and my camera, we'll take a look at the whole composition to make sure everything looks good. My last priority of the day is sketch out concepts for a dentistry practice in Florida. To see the complete brand process, click on the next video.
Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.